students, myself Varsha. Now we are going to study the different types of chemical reaction. Okay student, in this video we will learn the different types of chemical reactions. So students, can you tell me what are the different types of chemical reactions are there? Basically there are 5 main types of chemical reactions. Okay, and what are they? The first one is combination reaction, second one is your decomposition reaction, third one is single displacement reaction, fourth one is your double displacement reaction, and the fifth one is your combustion reaction. Okay, so these are the main 5 types of chemical reactions present in chemistry. Okay, and now we will going to study all these 5 types of chemical reactions with example in details way. Okay, but now in this video we will learn the first 2 chemical reaction. What are they? The first one is a combination reaction and the second one is a decomposition reaction with example. Okay, so without getting just wasting of our time, just start our topic. Okay, so let's see what are combination reaction. Okay, so students, combination reactions. Combination reactions means what? So first we will write the different types of chemical reactions. There are 5 main types of chemical reactions. Okay, first we will write that 5 types of chemical reaction. So student, tell me, first one is which type of reaction? That is combination reaction. So we will study first, that is combination reaction. Okay, student, combination reactions means what? This is a type of reaction where a single substances, or we can say that when one or more element or a compound get reacted with each other to give a new product, that is called as a combination reaction. Okay, basically the two compounds, maybe let us take the general equation of combination reactions is, first one is let X is an element or a compound, when it react with another compound, that is called as a Y. Okay, this give rises to a new product, that is called as a XY. Okay, that means when a single compound or element react with another element or compound to give a new product, that is called as your what? Combination reaction. This is your reactant side and this is your product side. Okay, so let's take an example so that combination reaction can you find out. First let us take, that is, if we will take hydrogen H2 when react with chlorine atom, that is when hydrogen atoms or compound element react with the chlorine element, then it gives rises to 2HCl. Okay, this is in a balanced equation form. That is when hydrogen atom, when one of the element of hydrogen atom combine with another element of chlorine atom, it gives rises to the another new product, that is called as hydrogen chloride. So this is called as a combination reaction. That means one single substances or one single element combine to another element to give a new product or new elements or compound, that is called as your combination reactions. Okay, now in the second case we will learn the decomposition reaction. So student, decomposition reactions means what? This is a type of reaction. In combination reaction, two substances combine to form and give a new product, whereas in decomposition reaction, only a single substances will be distributed with two different parts so that it will give out the another product. Okay, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Okay. In this reaction, what happened? A single substances. The general equation of decomposition reaction is that XY. Okay, XY give rises to X plus 1. Means when a single substances or element or a compound reacts, then it will give another, or it will distribute it into two other parts. First one is X, another one is Y. For example, if we will take H2O, that is your water. Yes or no? Water, it will, when it decomposed, it will give hydrogen plus oxygen, that is 2H2O, 2H2 and O2 also. Okay, so Basically, these are the two type of reaction. In the first reaction, combination reaction, we will learn that another two products or the two elements combine to form get a new product. That is called as a combination reaction. When decomposition reactions, that is one single substances decomposed or separated by separated through two other different type of elements. That is called as a decomposition reactions. And this is the general equation of the decomposition reaction. So in the next video, we will learn the different types of displacement, double displacement, and then the combustion reaction with example. Till now, you have to just remember what is combination and decomposition reactions. If any kind of doubt comes to your mind, you can contact to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button over there so that you can get the notifications when I upload my new video. Okay.